Hi, my name is Krisman, and I'm a learning designer at the University of Wisconsin in Madison. And I used to be a museum educator and worked with young people doing STEAM and hands-on learning projects. So STEAM stands for science, technology, engineering, art, and math. And it's an approach to education that brings together all of those disciplines so young people are engaged in complex projects where they're learning about all of those different disciplines, usually within the context of a real-world challenge or connecting with their interests, working on a passion-driven project. So rather than just learning math for math's sake or biology for biology's sake, you're really focused on a real-world problem or creating art or things that are really going to excite students and motivate their learning. So we've been working with a core team of 8 or 9 teachers from here in Palestine, and we've been developing these STEAM learning principles. And I think one of the most important principles that we've drawn out, or that they identified, is the teacher as a facilitator. So rather than the teacher standing at the front of the room and pouring knowledge into students' heads, they're facilitating projects and really thinking about what's going to motivate students to be interested in learning. And if you think forward into the future, in the real world, you're never just focused on a math problem at work or just focused on a science problem at work. Designing a building like the one that we're in right now requires bringing together science and math and art and design. And so it's going to allow the teachers to think about designing lessons for their students that engage all of those disciplines at once in ways that solve problems and motivate their students. So the teachers that the Catan Foundation have brought together, they've been involved in other projects here at Catan that bring together drama and different forms of pedagogy and really authentic learning for the students. They hope to build a fab lab here in the room that we're standing in right now. And downstairs there's an art gallery, and across the hall there's a library. And so I think it really is already modeling and already showing what it looks like to bring all of these disciplines together and provide the resources that students and teachers and community members can use to solve problems and sort of follow their own interests and passions in learning.